Hi everyone, Jackie here with Christian from Matex Gears. How are you doing today?
I'm well, and yourself?
I'm doing really good. So Matex is a Planetary gears manufacturer, and you guys offer gears of all sizes, right?
Correct.
And you also offer it in multiple materials, plastic, sintered metal, and steel.
Right, we want to make sure that you're not overburdened with weight or material that you don't need in a size that you don't need. We wanted to give you the most variety we can to hit your needs spot on.
So instead of kind of pre-packaging all this, you really get to look for exactly what you need and what you want.
Exactly. We don't, in many of these situations, you don't want to carry extra weight, and that's why we give you the variety. Plastic will obviously be the lightest, but the lightest duty as well. So
Right.
if you want to stick in that same size, we can get you a higher torque rating into steel and sintered metal.
Now you also sell accessories with this, which makes them stackable. Talk to me about the
Right.
benefits of that and variety.
It's also in the actual design of the gears. So we have male inputs that fit perfectly into our female outputs, so they can stack with just a spacer, no extra shaft needed.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that can go into whatever housing is right for your application on your end, right?
We don't want to put you in a box that doesn't fit your application. So this allows you a little design leeway to go ahead and make your application perfect.
Now, you guys have really amazing tools on your site. Once you kind of narrow down to the weight, the material, and the size that you need, it's really easy to fit this into your design and to your needs, right?
Right, exactly. So we have a large variety of different CAD files that you can plug right into your design and see if it does or does not work. And it saves you some arbitrary calls back and forth
Right.
and emails, and gets you right to deciding if Matex is right for you or not.
Now, depending on your role, viewing a 3D model may be a really helpful thing to do when you're kind of putting this together. So you guys have a really handy tool on your website for this.
Right. So the CAD models were an excellent investment on our side that just gives you more ability to decide on your own what does and does not work for your application. So you can see we have a male inputted gear here, and this is what makes it stackable. So we just put a nice plastic spacer in between them, and there you go, have a two-stage gear without any additional shafts.
Wow. So lastly, before we finish this out, let's talk a little bit about your coding.
Yeah, if you know the right way to look at them, you can tell which gear is going to fit into which, and to make it easily stackable, and what material it's going to be made out of, what size it's going to be, so on and so forth. So you can get a little clue just from the product coding. But we have another video that explains that, and feel free to check that out.
If you are looking for a Planetary gears manufacturer, someone who doesn't put you in a box and offers a wide variety in terms of materials, weight, ratios that you need to hit, and sizing, look no further than Matex Gears. You can contact them at their toll-free line or their direct line, both listed here on the screen, or you can visit them online at matexgears.com, where you can search everything we showed you today and even request a quote directly online. So don't hesitate to give them a call or check them out online today. Thanks, Christian.
Thank you, Jack.